Okay. Today I'll explain how to generate sine values for every 5 degrees. So because in the DAC experiment you need to see here, you need to remember 174 values of sine values, 128, 139, 150, 161. No, all you have to remember. So if you're feeling difficult to remember, so this is the formula explained in the class. So expression for V out, analog output of DAC is 5 plus 5 sine theta into 256 by 10. So instead of this, you can also write 256 by 10 is 25.6. So 25.6 into 5, if you multiply, you're going to get 128, I think. Let me check. 256 divided by 10, it is 25.6 into 5. So that will give you 128. So 255, 25.6 into 5 is 128. So it is reduced to 128 plus 128 sine theta. So using this formula also I will tell you how to create values, and with reduced formula 128 plus 128 sine theta I am going to explain how to create values. So for that you need to open Office Excel, okay, Microsoft Excel. So I'm creating new one so that you will understand. Go to File, New, select blank worksheet. So now we have two columns. Okay, one is theta. First column is theta, and second column is actually your analog output V out. So this formula is V out is equal to 5 plus 5 sine of radians theta into 56 by 10. So without radians, I think I didn't get proper value, so I put radians here. So first I have to note down the theta values for every 5 degrees. Okay, if you put for every 5 degrees, you will get 74 values. So for that, what you have to do is first you have to put 0. First sine 0 I want. Next I want 5. Okay, first value is 0. Next value is 5. Next you copy these two. Okay, like this you select. Only these two cells you have to select. Okay, so it will automatically calculate the formula that first cell, second cell difference is 5. So same formula automatically it will continue. So this you continue till you will get to 360. So now it is coming 180, 200, 250, 70, 300, 340. Okay, 360. Stop there. So it will generate uh, see here 0 degree, 5 degree, 10 degree, 15 degree, 20 degree, 25 degree, like that. Now here you have to write the formula. For writing the formula, okay, for writing the formula, here this is text. Okay, now formula should begin with is equal to. So click press is equal to, now open bracket, 5 plus 5. If you want to multiply something, you have to put bracket, okay, into sine of sin means sine of, open bracket, radians of that number you have to take, radians of this is C column, this is C column, this is 5. So you can write C5 or just click here, it will take automatically C5. Now close bracket. First bracket is for first bracket, next one more bracket is there, next one more bracket is there. So that is over. Next you have to write 256 by 10. So again multiplication, 256 by 10 I will write directly 250, 25.6. Okay, 25.6 you can write. So see, you are getting 128. The same value is same as first value. First value is what? 128, right? So next value I want around 139. I want around 139. I want. So let us check. Are we getting same value? So next, just this is the formula. Just drag this one. You'll get next value. See, you're getting 139. You're getting same value. So that's why you have to put radians in the formula. You have to put radians. If you don't put radians, you'll get other answer around 5 value. You're going to get only 5. So if you want to have 139, you have to put sine of radians of C5. Now this will be C6. So next value we incremented now cell. So it will take C6. Next formula C7 will be there. Automatically it will copy. So I don't want fraction part. So there is a increase decimal or decrease decimal is there. You can decrease decimal till round off. Okay. So now drag this. Same formula will be dragged full up to last 360 degree. See, we have 0, 0, 2, 0, 4, 0, 74, 84, 95, 106, 117, 128. In the same program also, you have all the values, same values. Last values are 105, 116, 128. Okay, same you are going to get here also. 106, 117, 128. Same values you are going to get. So within a fraction of second, you can generate all the values. This is for every 5 degrees. So make sure that your output should not cross 120, 255. 255 is the maximum value. So you can observe for these values, for these values, okay, you are getting 256. 256 means actually 0. So your output will go 0. So it is wrong. So you have to change this manually. Change this one to 255. Okay, manually you have to change 255 this one. 256, 256, 3, 256 are there. That you have to change this one to manually 255. Otherwise, what you can do is in the formula you write 255 only here. 255 by 10. So 256 means 0 only. So that's why. So 256 should not come because in the 8-bit value 0 to 255, not 256. So you have to change these three values. Otherwise, in the sinusoidal waveform, you will not get exact sinusoidal. For three values, it will go to 0 value. So that's why you should change this. Otherwise, in the formula only, you change this one to this one. Is for now, if you want to have for 10 degrees, okay, if you want to have for 10 degrees, first you have to give 10 0 degree. Next you write 10 directly. Okay, next you write directly 10. Select these two, drag this one to up to 360. Now it is coming 360. So now it is for every 10 degrees it will calculate the values. Again, I told now you can use another formula. I will show that one only. I will show another. I told now you can write is equal to 128 plus 128 into sine of sine of radians of this number. Here this is h column. This is h column 5. So close bracket for this. For h5 one bracket. For radians one other bracket. I think this is enough. If you put one more at the beginning, one more you have to put. So press enter. So now next value will be 150. So let us check for 150 is it correct or not in the 74 values. Uh, 37 values we have 128 plus 128 sine theta, no? So here what are the values, same values are coming or not, we'll check it out. The first value is 128, 128, next 150 and 172. So 128 is over, 150 is coming, next value should come 172. Let us check, drag this formula, 172 is coming, next 30 it should come 192, then 210, drag this 192, 210. See, automatically you drag up to last. If you set this is for 37 values, 0 to 36, 360 degree. So you are getting, this is now just you have to enter these values. So this is, I think, if you don't have laptop, or if you don't have, if the system is not having Excel worksheet, okay, Excel software. Then you can also do using a calculator. What you can do is you have to in the exam you have to write only some five values, and you can tell the examiner that I will enter remaining values later. So what you can do is, so you type 128 plus 128, okay, 128 128 plus 128 star, so one bracket. If it is not working, I think you can take mm, into sine of what is the first value? 0 degree, no? So 0 you have to put close bracket. I think this is also not required. Close bracket is equal to plus. See, 128 you are getting, right? So next value you have to write. No, just change. Just this arrow mark you use. Change this one to 10. Okay. Enter 150. Round off. You do only round off. Next value you want, no? So next change this one to 20. 171. Round off to, this is zero point 0.7, no? So round off to next value 172. So next again change this 30 degree 192. Okay, next is 210 you should get for 40. So again you click arrow mark. So 210. So like that you continue. Go to the last value 360. Okay. So for 360 degree. So last value is once again 128 only. So like this, using calculator only you can directly find all the values, or if you have an Excel sheet you can enter. So this is the easiest way. You can enter all the values correct, and in the calculator it should be degree. Please remember, when you're doing in the calculator it should be in the degree, but if you're doing in the Excel sheet you have to take 5 sine of radians of theta. Okay, so I tried without radians, I am getting different answer. So in the Excel sheet if you're doing, do 128 plus 128 sine of radians of this cell value. In the calculator this should be in degrees. Okay, so this is how to calculate the sine values. Thank you.